welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a wonderful surprise box for us. This is a box sent to me by Chantal from Darkest Raven Design. We did do a box swap and she should be getting hers shortly. I think it's in customs or somewhere in transit in between the US and Australia. But I got mine today and can't wait to see what's inside. So, gorgeous stickers. I just want to apologize for the temporary setup that you're seeing. This is just a card table, so if it bounces a little bit, that is the only reason why. I am currently in transit, moving from Texas to Florida. Our house isn't ready yet, so we are staying with family. And I'll be able to show you next month a vacation home that we're going to be staying in for a little while as well. So, but that's not why we're here. We're here to see this marvelous mystery box. Trying not to bounce the table, but it's not working very well. So sorry for that. And Chantal always does a great job with these. It looks like she packaged it up. So this says, "Let's do this. Dear Jen, another box, this time while you were on the move. I hope it brings you much joy. Much love, Chantal." And cute little Eeyore that we shall keep and put in a journal page. Look at this gorgeous wrapping paper. I love purple, I love butterflies, and she knows that. So let's take up this washi tape, try to save some of the wrapping paper, and see what we got. Very nicely packaged. When you see hers, she posts it on the Raven Compendium. When you see those, you'll notice that I did not wrap anything this time. I just put it all in there. I got her some colder stuff though, so just because I was working on moving and stuff, I didn't have time to make it look all pretty. But I will work on that because I think that we'll be doing swaps for a long time. Oh, look! I haven't opened yet, and I see a gorgeous Eeyore. This is a jewelry box. Feels like it's full of stuff, so we will put that aside and look at it in a minute. That is gorgeous. Ooh, it smells good. I wonder if there's some soaps in here. Gorgeous pack of flowers. I love napkins, and she threw a bunch of napkins in here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That'll be my word of the day, I think. Ooh, I like that one too. This is kind of like a pinkish gray color. Ooh. I like pinks and purples and butterflies. Very nice, Chantal. You picked up some good ones. This will definitely be added to my stash when I get, ooh, gorgeous. When I get all settled. Until then, I'll see what I can create with them. Ooh, butterflies. Very pretty colors. Some more white flowers. You can never have too many white flowers. That's awesome. Cool. We have some puzzle pieces. So you either paint it, do your decoration, and then it can turn into a puzzle, or you can put pictures on there. Things like that. Oh, some wooden letters. Love it. She put in some tags for me to put in my journals. Love that. Aw, this is from the little Raven. Her daughter has put this in there. Thank you. I'll just call her Little Raven, so I don't have to. Some awesome gel pens. Ooh, glitter gel pens. I remember talking about gel pens at one point. Love it, love it. Some gorgeous watercolor paints. She actually got this in a Smart Art box, and although I get Smart Art boxes also, I didn't get these. They switched mine for January with gouache. And I was asking her how they did, and she said they were surprisingly good. A little chalky. So I wanted to try them out, so she sent them. Ooh, she sent me some oil pastels. Very nice. Art Philosophy. I think she said these were kind of like the marabou oil crayons that we've been getting a lot of. Maybe because they're water soluble. So we'll have some fun with that. Oh, and they're rustic colors. Oh yeah, perfect. I like that. I will play with that for sure. Ooh, look at this. These are tea towels with Eeyore on them. How cute. Oh. Gorgeous. I love these. They're pretty thick too. That's very nice. There's 2 of them. So, aw. Winnie the Pooh beverage napkins. This one's all wrapped up. Look how pretty that fabric is. Aw. It's an Alice mug. I will use this for my coffee every morning. And then inside, oh, that is adorable. I think that's a Joey, a kangaroo with a koala bear hat. That is perfect. That is just perfect. Love it. And also, what else is in here? Ooh, what is this? Ooh, it's a Lindy's shaker. I haven't used that. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm going to open it when I'm actually going to use it, just in case it needs to go back. But that is purple color, and that is awesome. Love it, love it. And this fabric is gorgeous. I'm going to make a journal with that. Oh, and there's another section to it that's just gorgeous. I've never used those shakers before. I have a couple Lindy's. I sent her a couple in the last box, but I've never used the shaker ones. Gorgeous ribbon. Oh, those will look great on the journals. Some Salt and Sunset scrapbooking kit. Got some ephemera with it. And then we've got stickers. We'll open that up in a minute. And I can move the box out of the way. Same with this one. Some very pretty seashells. It's paper. Oh, she sent me a coloring book. Oh, look at that. It's a classic coloring book. Looks gorgeous. That should be a lot of fun and things that you can put, cut out and put in journals. It's giving me a good idea for some journal pages. I love it. And then we have some butterfly paper, and then hearts. And more butterflies. That is gorgeous. Let's open up these packs. So this one has these pictures in it, papers in it. Looks like 2 of each. Those would be perfect for little journals. Oh, I love those. Let's go seashore. Mermaids. Very nice. And then in here we have, it's perfect as she's picking stuff that will go great with like a Florida theme, since I'm moving to Florida. And some gorgeous ephemera, some more beachy stuff, beachy. So that'll be fun to do some projects with. Gorgeous, look at those flowers. And they have like gold. She knows that I like the little gold accents. Okay, and then there's some papers. I was lucky to become friends with Chantal because we both love getting mystery boxes and doing projects with them, things like that. But even long distance, we can send each other stuff all the time. So we do this, I don't know, 3-4 times a year. So just whenever we have a full box, we send them to each other. These are gorgeous stickers. And some cardboard. So those are awesome. And then let's see, last thing is to see what's in this gorgeous Eeyore, she knows I love Eeyore, jewelry box. got a Winnie the Pooh. Fancy. Oh, it feels like soap. That's where the smell's coming from. Oh yeah. It smells delicious. Made in Australia. Sweet pea, my favorite. So, fold that back up. Love that smell. And then inside the little drawer, we have, this is a little charm bracelet that she got. Check out her video. I will link it here. She does an unboxing from I don't remember the name of it, but it's a small business that's faith-based. And they had this gorgeous charm bracelet that I told her that was my favorite thing out of her box. And look, she sent it to me. It says family. And then you can just get little charms and put them in between. Not sure how you put them in between. Not sure if you can. I guess you get to kind of have the little latch, and then you can latch it in there. But that one is permanent in there unless you cut the wire, but it doesn't look like you can replace it if you do. So you'd be starting over. So that is gorgeous. Thank you, Chantal. All of this is amazing. You went above and beyond, like always. And thank you guys for watching. Again, temporary setup, but I'm glad I could bring this to you. Thanks again. Bye.